I-realize nyo na, oh my gosh, sana pala talagang start ako mag-skincare ng 20s pa lang ako.
Babula.
Look, yung aking carrot rice, sobrang sarap nito, partner.
One.
This one is like the England one. Wow! You're gonna what? Look. So we got 2 baso. You got 2 baso. Oh, you got accessories. You got another yellow baso.
Baso. Tagalog, English.
You have to put it here. And maybe this one. Let's open. You want to open? I'll open that one.
Yeah, put it there.
It's a plate! You have to put.
Kuya, let her.
Want to open this?
It's what? It's a lot.
No, this one is for to put here for to wash. Look, you're gonna do
D'accord. Okay.
Does it open?
Go open, anak.
Want me to open for you? No, open, Betty. Want a little help? Okay.
It's a butter. Look, can you put, love?
Okay, it's easy.
Can you put a battery?
Wait, I'll put this one.
Give me, love. I will put. I should put a mineral, right?
We do it! Humans,
Wow.
Mom, Dad.
Yeah.
Attention, the camera. Attends. Okay. Hi, guys. Hi. Hello. Guys, 3 PM na. Late tayo mag-vlog today. Ilalabas namin yung bata mag-playground kasi alam nyo na. And Sander is here. Hi! Hi! Si Ali. Tingnan. What you want to say? No. Sobrang init today. And
show your outfit. Show your outfit.
yung migraine ko umaatake na naman.
Show your outfit. Show your outfit. Show your outfit.
Guys, yung basura namin kahapon.
Aya? Like this. Look. 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 Go to the stove. The wood out.
Wait for me, guys. Yan na yung dalawa ko. Yan, may dala tayong water. It's okay, it's okay. Sibong, sibong. Tiki, 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 tiki. Oh, sibong. Abiso. Ah, okay. Attention. Cuckoo. Na, sumunod na yung kapatid. Teka. Wait, Papa is there.
Papa is there.
It's like tender.
What?
Go, Masha.
Go! You can do it. You need to, yeah. Okay. Uy. Yeah, like that. You can go like that. Hey. Yay. Again. Crawl. You can crawl. Crawl like what you did.
Hello. Yeah, come. Yeah. Yeah.
Do like Kuya. Do like Kuya. Aliyah, you almost.
Tabula.
Look. You want Kuya or at home now? At home na lang, baby. Okay? What's up? Hello guys, update. Andito na ako sa bahay. Hinatid ako nila Carlos. Silang, yung bata at si Carlos, sinundo yung kapatid ni Carlos kasi may dinner kami dito. So, bale, mag-i-stay din sila sa playground habang nagluluto ako kasi alam nyo na sobrang hirap pagka nandito sila. So, ang lulutuin ko today is fish and chips. Yung recipe ko today. Pero hindi ko na i-vlog sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo malaman yung recipe ko or pag nakita nyo sa video, pag nabitan nyo yung itsura, ask nyo lang ako. And yung fish and chips ko is Portuguese style at saka magluto ako ng Portuguese rice. So, Okay, medyo maingay ang ating scenario sa background. What's new? Ayan, meron na akong luto dito, guys. Ito. No, ito. Para mas mukhang maganda. Ayan, meron na akong luto. So, hindi ako masyado nagsasalt sa butter at saka sa fish. Ang ginagawa ko, tinatoppings ko yung salt para mas lasa siya at saka para mas masarap. Tapos, lemon. Papakita ko rin sa inyo yung sample lang to, guys, para kita sa ating vlog. Ito yung aking carrot rice. Sobrang sarap nito, partner. Tapos, depende na sa amin kung gusto namin ng salt. Hindi rin ako masyado nagsasalt kasi yung mga bata. And ito, guys, yung masarap, yung crispy. Ingay kasi nung fryer ko eh. Fresh from the fryer. Ang ganda ng coating ko. Tingnan nyo. Aha. May french fries pa to tsaka salad. Pero mamaya na yun. At bon appetit! Just open this. Kain tayo, guys. Ayan, pagoda. No. Ayan, guys, nakapag warm bath na ako. Sobrang pagoda ako today. Hindi ko alam tuwing paggabi na yung energy ko, hindi ko na kinakaya. Ayan, mag-i-skincare lang ako. Tapos, manonood ako ng Vampire Diaries. Ito yung ginagamit kong skincare. Tinatry ko siya kung okay ba siya. Itong Sunday Riley. Kulay blue. It's a face oil, guys. Alam nyo, sobrang na-stress ako kasi hindi ko naalagaan yung skin ko. Which is pagka nasa 30s na kayo, ma-realize nyo na, oh my gosh, sana pala talagang nag-start akong mag-skincare ng 20s pa lang ako. Anyways, it's never too late. Ito, guys, nagaganto lang ako ng konti. Wash. Guys, I don't know how to put this to and then after that, lip oil, Summer Fridays. Sobrang init. Tapos, inaantay ko lang mag-sink in yung aking oil, face oil. Tapos, nalagay ko tong Good Genes. And then, that's it. Antay ako ng mga 30 minutes. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Ayan, I will see you again sa aking next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel kung nanonood lang kayo tapos hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Kung gusto nyo yung mommy vlog, daily vlog, ganun. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you again. Bye! Good night!